Kaya kapkat. No kapkat. Ay, yan yung balance. Feel ko mannequin challenge yan. Mannequin challenge yan. Tingnan mo. Ala, yung ulo kasi ni Chloe.
Balancing is where you can stay in one place and not fall while holding an item or standing on a thin place. As you can see, they are standing on 1 feet only and balancing on both ends from their head and head. This is an example of balancing.
The two people are showing balance by holding a book with both hands while balancing another book on their head. Balance means keeping your body steady and in control. As you can see, these two people, or Chloe and Kurt, keep one book steady in their hands and another book balanced on their head without letting it fall. This shows both good posture, focus, and balance.
Snack? Galleon train.